Steam generator boiler. Part 2a. Parts of boiler. Boiler parts are divided into three main classes: boiler mountings and accessories, boiler auxiliaries, boiler safety protections, fire tube boilers parts. In this figure you can see the fire tube boiler parts and their locations. Boiler mountings and accessories. Mountings. There are the fittings which are mounted on the boiler for its proper functioning. A boiler cannot function safely without mountings. There are many types of boiler mountings, yet the following are important from the subject point view. A. Water level indicator. B. Pressure gauge. C. Safety valves. D. Stop valve. E. Blow-off cock. F. Heat check valve. G. Fusible plug. H. Blow-down valve. I. Manhole and mud box. J. Blow-off cock. Simple vertical boiler. The image shows the simplest form of an internally fired vertical fire tube boiler. It does not require heavy foundation and requires very small floor area. Parts: cylinder shell, cross tubes, furnace or firebox, grate, fire door, chimney or stack, manhole, hand hole, ash pit. Cochrane boiler. In this picture you can see the parts and location of the parts for Cochrane boiler. Locomotive boiler. You can see the parts and their location of locomotive boiler. Lancashire boiler. These figures show the Lancashire boiler parts and their locations. Cornish boiler. These pictures show the Cornish boiler parts and their location. Please keep watching my channel. My next video will be on water tube boiler parts.